Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So as you can see in the title, preparing for Christmas or planning for Christmas. How can we plan for Christmas? What are the downside of planning for Christmas and what are the pros of planning for Christmas? So I grew up in a family where Christmas morning we were still cleaning, we were still decorating Christmas tree, we were putting up decoration, and I never forget when I was younger it was balloon and those paper decoration with the two color thing that you twist like this. Let me know down in the comment if you remember those Christmas decoration. I'll try and find a picture and put it on screen here. So I remember Christmas night or the Christmas Eve, I was sitting as a child blowing up balloons and doing those decorative thing that when you pull it out it have the two color thingy and we put it up in the ceiling and all. I do enjoy that and I do remember those type of decoration. But what I hated was the fact that Christmas morning we were still working. We were still cleaning, we were still making bed, we were still decorating, maybe even painting. Let me know if you had that issue or if you had that when you were growing up where Christmas morning you find yourself cleaning and decorating. Now as an adult I do find myself doing that past few Christmases where Christmas night, like the Christmas Eve, I have to come home from work and rearranging furniture, putting down new rug, putting up new curtain, and by Christmas morning you're tired because most Christmas I leave to go to my family house. So just imagine leaving work, come home Christmas Eve, doing all that in my house and then going to my family house to assist to do the same thing. It's really tiresome. So I am planning, I'm actually now in the process of planning my family home and my home, how we can prevent this from happening, and I just decided why not put it in a video because I know most person might be experiencing this same issue. Now most of us might say we don't have the money, but at the end of the day the first thing we need to try to do is saving or setting a budget aside for the for food preparation and all for Christmas. So stuff to buy food instead of waiting on our paycheck for Christmas to do all the shopping in Christmas. So let me try and start saving. I believe that's one thing that we can do to ease off the stress and the chaos in December. So set a budget for Christmas and start saving towards that budget. We're in September now, so we have maybe October and November to start saving for especially the groceries and so. The next thing that we need to start to do is buying paints. So start buying paint and start painting by October. So by October we finish paint and the house is well painted and everything. That's one plan as well. So my mother start to make that preparation already, getting the paint and all. So all we need to do is start painting now. So that is one suggestion that I believe that you guys can start doing early, is to start painting. Because you know, to move around furniture and to put them back, that's the hardest part of painting. Painting is not really the hard part, you know. Is moving up the stuff them and putting them back is the hard part. So let us try to get that out of the way, the painting. The next thing that we can start to do is to start shopping. So like for example, if we know certain gifts for the family that we're going to buy for Christmas, or if we see anything, we can start by them get a little box or so to put them in. So when Christmas come, you don't have to be hunting gifts and all, you start to buy them. Like if it's children, we start to buy the little dolly, we start to buy little games or whatever it is that you know that they might like. We start to get those stuff to put aside. I see some places start to put out Christmas decoration already. So if you can go out and start purchasing Christmas decor, we can start purchasing like the tree decorations and all, or if we have some already put down, we can just buy a few more stuffs to put with those. If it's a Christmas tree, we can start ordering the Christmas tree from now. Some stores might have sales, so if we want to wait on the sale days, it's best we can do that. But what we can get now on special, we just try to get those to put down, so we don't have to be rushing and all with the whole chaos in shopping for Christmas and the whole decoration and all. The next thing that we can start to do is by creating our gift list. So since I said start buying the gifts and all, create the gift list. So all the persons you plan to buy a gift for, start writing down their names, put whatever gift you think that they need, and just to create that list. And each time we have that list, if we're on the road, we can find that gift and tick it off. Say, okay, we'll buy mommy gift, we'll buy daddy gift, we'll buy our niece, nephew, daughter, whatever person it is in your life, you can tick it off and say, okay, we create that gift. There's an app called Notion that is very good that you can use to organize and to update. Or if you have a phone with notes, you can always create a notes in your phone as well. So you always have it on you instead of a paper that can just get thrown away somewhere. Also, planning your gifts ahead will ensure that all your family members or the persons that you want to get gifts have their gift, and you don't wait on Christmas Day and say, oh, I did get Tom gift, I did get Harry gift, I did get Kimon gift. You understand? Don't forget that practical gifts such as soap, candles, phone stand, those type of gifts that is all around can be purchased and put down. Those can create little mini basket or little mini gift bag as well. So try to get those gifts and just to put down little perfume and stuff. So just in case you miss out on somebody or a neighbor, so you have something that you can give in the interim. Start your gifting research as well. So if you struggle to find a gift for someone, you can start researching. I did a list last year where I gave Christmas ideas gift for men and women, so you can go back and look on that video. So if you're struggling to purchase gift for someone in the family, you can always go to YouTube and look up gifts for male, gifts for female, gifts for children, and just to start researching what's the best gift. You don't want to keep buying gift that they get. You don't want to keep buying wallet for men or perfume. There are so many different gift ideas out there for male and female, so you don't want to be repeating the same gift over and over. Since we're off get the gift list now, reflect on previous years. So what we can do is reflect on the year before, the years before, what we like about that Christmas that we would want to incorporate in this year Christmas, what we didn't like that we don't want to repeat this Christmas, and just reflect on the previous years and say, okay, we had this last Christmas, I would want that into this Christmas. If you're a person that love to go out with the family, ensure that you plan and do all that preparation in place. If you had a certain recipe that you tried last year and you failed it, start practicing on that recipe now, so that when Christmas come, you nail it. You understand? So we can start reflecting on the previous years and incorporate what we had in those years into this year, and what we had that we didn't want, and to prevent it from coming in this year. So that's another way that we can prepare for Christmas. Since I mentioned saving before, we can try to buy certain things from early, like the raisins, and so that we know that don't really have a short expiration date. So certain food stuff that we know we can get early to prevent food hiking price in December, because you know in December they start to raise certain things, and also in December things start to go very quickly. For example, in Jamaica last year, I know that I think it was Grace. Yeah, Grace had this sweet and spicy sauce that a lot of person use on their ham, and it was finished very quickly. I heard a lot of persons saying the supermarkets don't have any. So if you're a person that use certain sauce, certain spices, certain things that you know you're going to use in Christmas, start buying them and putting them down. Get a box, get one of those clear bins or so. Start buying those and putting them in your pantry or in your cupboard or wherever best you store them. So those are little simple small preparation that we can make. Also, comment down below what preparation you always make before Christmas so that you don't have that stress and chaos in Christmas. Another way to start preparing for Christmas is thinking what color scheme you're going to use to decorate. So you know, some persons use burgundy, some person use yellow, some person use blue, red, silver, gold, whatever color it is. Start planning on what color will be your Christmas theme for the Christmas. Instead of waiting in December when shipping companies take long to ship or customs holding on packages or something sold out. So if you shop, if you decide your color, for example you're going to use red and you're on the road and you see a red cushion, then you can always buy it. If you see a red this, you can buy it. If you see the color that you're working with, you can buy those things to put down one instead of waiting in Christmas. You search for bed sheet, you search for curtain, you search for rug. It'll go rough. So to prevent the chaos, just start buying the stuff little. It's best to buy them little than when we get the little paycheck in a Christmas, we done it on decoration and then we did for hungry by January, which we always call Ben Johnson season. So the Ben Johnson season. So let us start to do those shopping and preparation early. Another thing that we can do to prepare for Christmas is start decorating early. So we really want to enjoy this season. I am tired of watching people on YouTube decorating for Christmas in like after the holiday, you know, they start decorating for Thanksgiving. So in November they start decorating, and they always take down their Christmas decoration pretty early as well. I don't know a right or wrong time when to take down Christmas tree, because I can tell you that's one more thing in my family. I grew up already where Christmas tree was up from December to the next year December. Yeah. So yeah, don't come at me in the comment. That is just my family. If it's a case where you're a person who have up your Christmas tree all year round, just spruce it up, spice it up, put up some new ornaments and so on it, and try to start decorating early to enjoy the decor. So if you start decorating by December 1st week, at least you will be enjoying the decor. Some of us might say, oh, the decor gonna get stale and all, but I don't think it will get stale. At least we will just be there enjoying the whole decoration and our work. Because if you decorate Christmas Day or Christmas Eve, and by the Christmas finish the day, basically we're going to enjoy the New Year's. So try decorate early so we can enjoy it. So that is one goal that I have on my list that I am going to try to do, start decorating early for Christmas. So as I said, comment down below what you do to prepare for Christmas early. Let me know the do's and the don'ts for your family, because you know everybody's family is different. Some people have different traditions, like they bake the cake on Christmas, some people bake days before, some people bake Christmas Eve. So let me know what your tradition is. Also, you have some people them have to have them ackee and saltfish, some people have to have them sorrel. Let me know what are your yearly Christmas routine. Another thing that you can do to prepare for Christmas, so you don't keep buying the same things, as I mentioned, decoration as well, is to go back and check and see what kind of Christmas decoration you have already. You don't want to keep buying something that you have already. So check on your tree, check if you have a star, check the decoration, the ornaments and so to put on the tree, check the lighting and all to see if they're working. So you don't want to say, okay, I have light, and then when the day comes for you to decorate, the light not working. So those checks we can start doing early. So start to prepare by checking what we have on hand so that we don't have to be going out there to buy the same thing. remember, all these preparation don't have to do now. Some of them we can do a few days before Christmas, some a few weeks. For example, if we're going to wrap gifts, and so we can do those like 2 days or 3 days before Christmas. If we're going to do our final grocery shopping, we can do those like the 18th of December. If we're going to do like the final shopping as well, the big shopping, we can do those as well in like a week or so before Christmas. The cleaning, we need to do that like the first week of December, because you know the house them, especially have some large house, will take a lot of cleaning. We want to do those before, so when it come up to the near, especially if we have persons that do 9 to 5 job, it go rough if you leave work to come home to clean, and we don't want us use with Sundays to do all of the cleaning, you understand? So let us try to prepare for Christmas, this Christmas 2022, and just to make the best and have a lot of fun out of it. Plan our activities with the children that we are going to do, plan the music that we are going to play, plan everything. So if you enjoyed this video, comment down below. Let me know what you will be doing to prepare for Christmas. Let me know what you have. Let me know like a memorable moment for you growing up as a child in Christmas. As I said, I enjoyed the old decorations and the balloons and all. So thank you again for watching this video. See you on the next one.